Hello. Welcome to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
Alright then. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Abby made this amazing lunch the other day, and I told him we had to record it because it is so delicious.
And then it is something
and it's so quick.
Yeah. So today we're gonna use this seasoning, which is bumbu samawa.
Okay, so what kind of flavors are in this one?
So they have coriander, they have galangal, they have ginger, they have garlic.
So we're gonna do like lettuce wraps, and
Yes.
they're gonna be made out of mushrooms. So guys, don't go ooh or ooh, and it doesn't have meat in it, because these mushrooms with
push. We have cat running around.
these mushrooms with this seasoning are phenomenal in a lettuce wrap, and it is so quick. It'll be a quick video because it's that fast.
Yeah.
And it's a meal, and they're so good. So we're gonna jump right into it, and all we need to do, we have our ingredients right here. We've got mushrooms, we've got tomatoes, red peppers, onions, and it's just an assortment of vegetables. It doesn't
any kind of vegetable.
Yeah,
actually.
it doesn't have to be any particular.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be mushroom.
Whatever you got in your fridge.
Whatever you have in your fridge.
But the mushrooms are the texture, the meat, if you will,
Yes.
of the dish.
Okay, let's do this.
So let's go.
Oil.
We're gonna do a little oil.
Yes.
You think that's enough?
Yep.
All right.
Hey. Okay.
All right.
What is your? Yeah.
My spatula.
Yes. Okay, you can put the onion now.
Onion.
Who cut that onion?
I probably do.
Okay.
I am cooking like I would say the average American is, that doesn't have a lot of experience, that doesn't have the time, because we work so much, and we need something quick, but I love food. I want something that's going to taste good. So this is why we're going to show you guys how to do this.
We have red pepper.
Yes, go. And I love the combination of peppers and onions. It just smells really good.
And then the mushroom. If you want to cut it smaller, that's fine. And this is whatever we have left over in the fridge, because we are under quarantine, so we use as much as possible what we have, because we don't want to throw it. Then there you go, the mushroom. You can put this one first, or you can put mushroom, doesn't matter. So we're gonna use 2 spoons for this. 1, 2. So we oh my god, so this. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Very fast. Yeah.
All right, so while I'm doing this, can you tear off the lettuce?
No, that's fine. The lettuce we can do it later. And then put the
a little bit of coconut milk, or a little bit more.
Yeah, because you need that kind of liquid to cook a little bit.
Wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's really good. And the mushrooms with the seasoning too, they really absorb all the flavors, every little flavor in this seasoning here. Yes. So it's a great match for something like this.
Yeah, some people is like, ooh, mushroom, but wait until you put this.
Wait until you try it.
Try the seasoning, then you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna eat mushroom.
Oh, and we have to do our little.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need tortillas for this.
Yes. We'll just put it on the flame here.
I know, we're gonna put right directly on the top of the flame for the tortillas. Okay.
So we decided, to add a tortilla on it. You don't have to. It could just be totally like a
wrap.
a lettuce wrap. but
you
we
need
had
that kind
tortillas
of-
in the fridge.
Yes.
So why not be creative?
Okay, try the salt. Do you need salt?
A little bit.
Okay, put the salt, umami.
Yes. Abi Lux umami. This is going to be so good, guys. You've got to try this at home. And it's just whatever is in the fridge.
Yeah. Okay, put that away. Yeah. This is how we do tortillas here, faster.
Yes. Just burn it a little bit.
Yeah.
Wash your fingers. That really works.
Okay, that's done. Back in a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's done. Turn it.
Ah!
Ow! Okay, I like the smell of burn. Burn. Yes, that's good. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So next, just take these, maybe like 2 of them. Put it like that. Put it like this. Okay, let's do 3.
And this is a really nice soft type of head lettuce that we bought.
3.
It makes it really easy to roll it.
Bend it. Okay.
You ready?
Put it there. Yeah.
You want some more?
Yeah, put more. No. Yeah, finish all of that. Put it
Okay.
together. Go grab it. Put it a little bit more. And we can finish that too. Okay.
So this is going to be such. It's a full meal already,
Yeah.
and it's quick.
This is the wrap.
So guys, this is with our bumbu samawa
Bumbu samawa.
seasoning.
It's very fast. Let me take a picture first. Okay.
Yes.
Or do you want to put some of this? You can put some of that.
Okay,
There you
guys.
go.
So
that's-
this is such a quick and easy dish.
Yeah.
It's mushroom with some other vegetables with our bumbu samawa seasoning,
Yeah.
and we're done already. So it's really quick.
Very quick.
And
And then let's try.
and it's good. All right. So let's go.
That feels fine. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And it's healthy for you.
And for vegan
Now
out
you
there,
can certainly, yes, but you don't have to be a vegan to enjoy this. I always tell people at the restaurant, when they're looking at the menu, don't disregard the vegetarian dishes because they're so good. You don't miss the meat because you've got so much flavor in these dishes. So if you want a meat, do it with chicken. You could do it with beef, fish. But just like this, you know, I'm sure most people have got peppers, definitely onions, and probably mushrooms. But it's just a great little quick dinner, snack, lunch, whatever.
quick, simple, healthy, and bueno. Okay, I think that's it for today.
So thanks everybody for watching. We hope you try this quick and easy dish with our bumbu samawa seasoning. Enjoy our video, like our video.
Oh yeah, don't forget to
and
subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Like, subscribe, and share.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.